Hello students. So last class we have discussed graphical representation of motion. That's we discussed distance time graphs, velocity time graphs, and after that we discussed equation of motion for graphical method. So this is very much important. We have derived the three equations: v equal to u plus at, s equal to ut plus half at square, v square minus u square equal to 2as, or you can say 2as is equal to v square minus u square. So on that basis we will solve the numericals of the text, that is solved problems of text we are going to see today. That is equation 8.5. So problem class 9 motion. Okay, numericals we are going to see in this chapter. So first numerical, that is page number 108, example 8.5. So I will write with reading that a train starting from rest attains a velocity of 72 km per hour. So please note down whatever I write on the board. With me solve only. A train starting from rest attains a velocity of 72 km per hour. Rest attains a velocity of 72 km per hour. See, h man minus 1 bardru same, per hour bardru same. 72 km per hour in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. Assuming that the acceleration is uniform, assuming that the acceleration is uniform, find the acceleration of the distance traveled by the train. Find the acceleration. Second one, the distance traveled by the train. The distance traveled by the train. The distance traveled by the train for attaining this velocity. For attaining this velocity. See, now you can look here. I am going to tell you. So please look here. A train starting from rest attains a velocity of 72 km per hour. 72 km per hour in 5 minutes. So now one train has started from rest and now it is attaining the velocity of 72 km per hour in 5 minutes. See, whenever starting from rest, initial velocity 0 togobek. That is you have to take 0. So problem you have given first barkobek. So odkota barivatnya. So yenin kotarla adun barkota hobek. A train starting from rest in the sense initial velocity 0. In the question, if it finally reaches the rest or it comes to rest, avagitandra final velocity 0 togobek. So in starting from rest, initial velocity you have to take it as 0. That is our u. U is equal to 0. Velocity of 72 km per hour in 5 minutes. 72 km per hour in 5 minutes. So that is the final velocity. V is 72 km per hour in 5 minutes. Time is 5 minutes. See, usually in problem always prefer to take the units in SI units. 5 minutes, that is time is in minutes. Minute is not the SI unit of time. What is the SI unit of time? Second. So convert the minutes to second. 5 into 60, that will give me 300 seconds. So time is 300 seconds. Okay. Now if the acceleration, assuming that the acceleration is equal, find the acceleration and the distance traveled by the train for the attaining this velocity. So what they have asked? They have asked us to find the acceleration. They have asked us to find the distance traveled. See, our ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ A ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ, that is acceleration, distance traveled yes ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So A ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು? Very easy formula. First formula you can use. We know that V is equal to what? U plus 80. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. V ಏನದ 72 km/h ಅದ, U 0 ಅದ, T ಇಷ್ಟದ, A ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ A is equal to ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಈ ಲೆಕ್ಕದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ V minus U by T ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. So what is my V? 72 km/h. T is in seconds. So students, V minus U by T is there, but look here, this is in km/h, but this is in seconds. So I have to make V in meter per second because already I have taken it in seconds. So I will make it, how to make that one into meter per second. Look here, 72 is there. What is my kilometer means? 1000. Kilometer means 1000 meter. In 1 hour, how many seconds are there? 3600 seconds are there. Okay. So I will drop 2, gone 2. Okay, 36 ones are, 36 twos are. So it will be 20 meter per second. 72 km/h is equals to 20 meter per second. So I will put that one here. So A is equal to, what is my V? 20 meter per second minus U is 0 divided by time is, what is my timing? That is taken 300. So A is equal to 20 by 300. That is 21 the 20 15 the. So A is equal to 1 by 15 meter per second square. So it covers, the acceleration is 1 by 15 meter per second square. I hope everything is clear. So A is equal to 1 by 15 meter per second square. Okay. So my dear students, so if you look here, you understood what is acceleration here. Okay. So we found what is acceleration value. So U, V, T and A, S we need to find out. U, V, T given and they should be in SI units. If the time is given in seconds, make the velocities in meter per second. If the time is in km/h, make the velocities in km/h. Okay. So we now, please note down this because I will rub this. Okay. Now I will move to yes, second one, that is displacement. So we know that V square minus U square is equal to 2AS, and just I need to find out yes, V square minus U square by 2A. Yes, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. V square minus U square by 2A ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So S is equal to, what is my V square? V square final velocity, what we have noted down? Final velocity is here, it is in 5 minutes 72 km/h ಅಂದ್ರೆ 20 ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. 20 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ U square ಎಷ್ಟದ 0 ದಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ 0 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 2A ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 into 1 by 15. So that is equal to, S is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 20 by 2 by 15. So 15 ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, 20 into 15 by 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So 2 ones are 2 tens are. So S is equal to 150 meters. So the distance traveled or the distance covered is 150 meters. So 2 into 1 by 15 meter per second square. So wait, I think, oh sorry little bit. 2 into 1 by 15 and 20 meter per second square. See, V square is there. Okay, this is 20 square. 20 square is there. We have not taken that. 20 square means 20 square we have to write. That is 20 square is how much? 400. Okay. minus 0 square divided by 2 into 1 by 15. So 2 by 15. So S is equal to 20 square divided by 2 into 1 by 15 meter per second square. That means this is also square. Okay, 2a, that is 2 into 1 by 15, and 20 square is 400. Okay, so this will go upper side. S is equal to 400 into 15 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 200 into 15, that will give me 3000 meter. It is visible. So 3000 meter means S will be 3 kilometers. So I hope this much is clear. Okay. Okay. So now I hope this much is clear. Shall we move to the next question? Now I will move to the example 8.6. Now I will move to example 8.6. A car accelerates uniformly from 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour. A car accelerates uniformly from 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour in 5 seconds. Calculate the acceleration. First one is the acceleration and the distance covered by the car. The acceleration. Second one, the distance covered by the car. The distance covered by the car. Okay. See here, calculate the car accelerates uniformly from 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour. Solution. Okay, in 5 seconds. See here, what is given? U they have given 18 km per h. V they have given 36 km per h. So better I will convert it into meter per second. It will become what? See, 18 into, see, whenever you have to convert meter per second, 18 into 1000 divided by 3600. So this goes 2 5s are 2 18s are. So you have to multiply the given thing with 5 by 18. So 18 into 5 by 18, both 18 gets cancels. That will give me 5 meter per second. Same thing here, 36 into 5 by 18 you make. Nodri, 18 ones are 18 twos are 10 meter per second. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತದ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 5 by 18 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ದಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 18 by 5 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗೇನದಾವು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಅದಾವ, ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒಳಗದ. ಟೈಮ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಟೈಮ್ ಏನ್ರಿ ಅವರ್ದಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಡೀತದೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ದಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, 36 into 5 by 18 ಆಯ್ತು, 5 meter per second and 10 meter per second ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, U V we got. Next, what is there? Time they have given 5 seconds. Time they have given 5 seconds. What I need to find out? I need to find out the acceleration and the distance covered, A and S. So A is equal to V minus U by T. First one, acceleration A is equal to. You can make a question mark here. A equal to what? S equal to what? So A is equal to V minus U by T. So what is my V here? 10 meter per second, u is 5 meter per second. So 10 minus 5 divided by t is second. That is 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 by 5 is 1 meter per second square. So I want to find out s also. So s is equal to what? Ut plus half at square. So s is equal to, what is my u here? 5. Time is, where is the time? That is also 5. Plus half, what is a? 1. What is t square? T square is 5 square. That is 25, we can say. 5 to 5 is 25. 25 plus 25 by 2. That we can say 12.5. 25 ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೆ? 12.5 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So 12.5. 25 plus 12.5 is 37.5 meters. This is the distance. I hope this much is clear. So the acceleration of car is 1 meter per second square and the distance covered is 37.5 meter. Okay. So lasting ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. I don't have the space. lasting ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಏನೇನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ರೂಪದಾಗ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಎದರದು ಕಾರ್ದು. The acceleration of the car is 1 meter per second square and the distance traveled by the car is 37.5 meter. So I hope this much is clear. ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ ಅದ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತದ 18 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಂದ 36 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್. ಓಕೆ, 5 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒಳಗ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ 18 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್, ಫೈನಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ 36 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್. ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ದಾಗ ಐತಿ. ಟೈಮ್ ಅವರ್ದಾಗ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ನಡೀತದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಅವರ್ದಾಗ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ದ ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋನು. ಸೊ ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 5/18 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ 1000 ಅವರ್ 3600 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ನಡೀತದೆ. ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. 5/18 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು 5 ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇದು 10 ಬರ್ತದೆ. So A is equal to V minus U by T. That is acceleration formula. Okay. So V is what? 10. U is 5. 10 minus 5 by 5. That is 5 by 5. 1 meter per second square. Same thing here. Ut plus half at square. 5 into 5 plus half at square. That is 25 plus t square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 25 ಅದ. A ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅದ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ. 25 plus 25 by 2. 25 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 12 by 5 ಆತು. So 25 plus 12 by 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 37.5 meters ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So this is regarding the problems. I hope everything is clear in this problem. ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ ಇನ್ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನೇನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೋಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಇದು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ದಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೈತೋ ರೆಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದೈತು. ರೆಸ್ಟ್ದಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ u0 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ರೆಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ v0 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂಡು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಬೇರೆ ಅದ, ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಬೇರೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಆ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿಗಳು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ 18 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್, ಫೈನಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ 36 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್. ಸೊ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಟೈಮು ಅವರ್ದಾಗ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಅಥವಾ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ವಿ, ಹೆಂಗಿದ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಐತಿ ಅಥವಾ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೈತಿ, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿಗಳನ್ನ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಫೈನಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟು ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಕೇಸು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ they have asked in kilometer per hour and have given it in meter per second, you have to convert them to kilometer per hour. Okay, same thing. So this is the same thing. So I hope everything is clear. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me in WhatsApp. So remaining problems we will see in the next class.